Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a crochet scrunchie. So I'll be using this head tie, a black yarn, a 4mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors. So let's get into the video. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be doubling my strands because this is a lightweight yarn, so I have to double it. So I just take from inside of the yarn, I pull it out and then I double it. So after doubling it, I'm going to make a slip knot. Then into the hole of our head tie, in there I'm going to make a slip stitch. Then I'm going to make a single crochet. So we are going to be making a single crochet to cover our head tie. So you make a single crochet covering around your head tie. So just go ahead and do that, placing one single crochet around it, around this ring. Now once you get to where that black beaded thing is, you just go around it if yours have it, but if yours doesn't, you walk around it like that. So I'm making my last single crochet, then into the first stitch you're going to slip stitch like this, then chain up 3. Into that first space we are going to be making 3 double crochet. So this is the second one, and then this is the last one. So now into the next space we are making 2 double crochet. Now into the following one we're making 3 double crochet. So this is the pattern: you make 3 double crochet, into the following you make 2 double crochet. So you just keep doing this pattern till you go around your single crochets. Now once you get to the end, into the top of your chain 3 space, you're going to make a slip stitch. So now you chain up 3, you turn your work into that very first space, that very first stitch, you make 3 double crochet. And now into the next space you make another 3 double crochet. So this is the pattern for the second row, or the third row rather. you make 3 double crochet into each of your stitch. So go ahead and keep making 3 double crochet. Now again, once you get to the end, into our chain 3, the top, we are going to slip stitch. So you slip stitch, then you chain up 3, then you turn your work. Into that very first stitch, we're making 3 double crochets. Two and 3. Into the next, we're making 2 double crochets. So we are going to be repeating the pattern for our second row to our 4th row. You're making 3 double crochet. Into the next, you're making 2 double crochets. So this is the pattern we'll be following for our 4th row. Now once you get to the end of the very last stitch, I'll be making 3 double crochets in there. So now we are going to slip stitch into the top of our chain 3. So now we are going to be changing the color of our yarn to white. So I'll make a slip knot, and then you pass it through that loop, and then you slip stitch, and that's it. And then you pull down the black loop, the black strand. So now we are going to be making a single crochet into that very space. We'll make it 2 times. Then into the next space, you make 2 single crochets again. And into the next, we'll make 2 single crochets. So this is the pattern for our 5th row, making 2 single crochets into each of our stitches. And so this pattern is quite easy, very simple. And please don't forget to click that subscribe button, like this video, comment and share. Okay, if you like videos like this, also don't forget to turn on your notification buttons to get updates of our crochet content. So this pattern is very easy, very simple. And into that very last stitch, we're making our last 2 single crochets. So now we are going to make a slip stitch into our very first single crochet space. Now you make a chain, then you take your scissors, cut it off, and that's the tutorial. Very easy, very simple to follow. So now I'm just going to tie it properly to secure. Now I'm going to take my yarning needle to hide the leftover strands that we have. And so we just pass it through each of those spaces. And that is it, guys. Looks really pretty. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.